Hey everyone, I am Amber Davis Corbin. I have taught 5th grade, but I'm moving to 2nd grade at Spring Place Elementary School, which is part of the Murray County School District. As you can see, I am happily married and we have a newborn. He was born on April 17th. I graduated from Shorter University in 2015 with my bachelor's degree in elementary education. And I graduated from Piedmont College in 2017 with my master's degree in elementary education. And I'm currently pursuing my specialist degree at UGA. Go Dogs! I've been teaching for 4 years, and I've always felt like I was destined to be a teacher and a mom. So there is another picture of my baby. My personal and professional insights are, I believe that every student has the potential to be a lifelong learner who is actively involved in their creative world as problem solvers, and they just need guidance, love, and fostering from truly called educators. I teach because I truly believe that that's what the Lord has called me to do. I want to leave a lasting impact and foster individual strengths and creativity regardless of what the content area may be for my students, and meet them where they are. I was never really a strong reader as a child. I did well because my mom, as a teacher, she helped me a lot and made me read, which is very important to me. But I want to be that same support as a lot of my teachers were for me, for my students. I want to see them walk out of my door and know that they can be lifelong learners, and to have an urgency for learning and to have passion and drive regardless of what their circumstances may be. A memorable diversity issue would be definitely the lack of diversity in gifted education. It saddens me to know that so many students from culturally diverse backgrounds are not represented in gifted education, and I never really realized that until I started this program. And thinking back to my childhood as a gifted student, I can remember that the majority of the students that were in the gifted programs were white, middle class, or upper class students. I don't ever remember there being anybody of a different culture in my gifted program as a student, and that really saddens me to know that they're underrepresented. So going along with what I was just talking about, my least favorite aspect of diversity and equity issues would most definitely be the fact that there's an underrepresentation of culturally diverse or twice exceptional students in gifted programs. And I wish there was more that I could do in assisting these students in the identification process. My most favorite is, as a teacher, I have students who are English language learners and autistic learners who receive gifted and talented services. And I love to see the spark that these twice exceptional students have when they can use their strengths to mask their weaknesses and overcome anything regardless of the barriers put in their place. So that's me, and I hope you enjoyed.